In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change user ID in Instagram. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. This is the first step to accessing your account settings. You will see your feed filled with photos and updates from the people you follow. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon, which is usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on this icon takes you directly to your profile page where you can see all your posts, followers, and other account details. This action is crucial because it allows you to manage your profile settings effectively. Next, tap on the Edit Profile option. This will take you to a screen where you can make various changes to your profile information. Here you'll see fields for your name, website, bio, and of course your username. It is important to familiarize yourself with this screen as it houses all the key elements that define your Instagram identity. Making updates here can enhance your profile's visibility and appeal. Now locate the username field and tap on it. This is where you will input your new desired username. Remember, your username is what others will see and use to find you on Instagram, so choose wisely. The screen will display your current username, and you will need to erase it to enter your new choice. This is a significant step because your username must be unique. If you choose a name already taken by another user, you will need to come up with a different one. After entering your new username, it's time to check its availability. If your chosen name is free, you will see a confirmation message. If it's not available, the app will prompt you to select another username. This step is critical because it ensures that your new username adheres to Instagram's guidelines and is not already in use. It can be frustrating to find the perfect name only to discover it's taken, so having a few alternatives ready can save you time. Once you have a valid username, tap Done or the checkmark icon. This action confirms your selection and updates your username in the app. You will immediately see a notification indicating that your changes have been saved. This gives you reassurance that your new username is now officially part of your profile. Finally, take a moment to review your profile with the new username. It's a good idea to double-check that everything looks correct and that the username fits well with your brand or personal identity. This last step is essential because your username represents you on the platform. A well-chosen username can enhance your recognizability and make it easier for others to connect with you. Remember, your new username must be unique and follow Instagram's username rules. If it's already taken or invalid, you will be prompted to choose another one. This ensures compliance with Instagram's policies and helps maintain a pleasant user experience for everyone. In conclusion, changing your Instagram username is a straightforward process that can refresh your online identity. By following these steps, you can easily make a change that reflects your current interests or branding. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.